Hello everyone, today I will show you how to merge contacts on iPhone. And here's how it's done. Select a contact. First, open the contact you want to link. For example, this is a random contact I created a while ago. Edit the contact. Once you have opened the contact, tap the edit button in the top right corner. Scroll and link contacts. Scroll down to find the option that says link contacts, tap on it. Choose another contact. You will now see a list of other contacts you can link. Tap the one you want to merge. Verify information. Ensure all the information for both contacts is correct and looks good. Link the contacts. Tap link in the top right corner and your contacts will be merged. Done. Once you have linked the contacts, tap done. You will now see only one contact instead of the two separate ones. And that is everything you need to know about how to merge contacts on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.